If your life has been turned upside down by infidelity, you may be asking one of two very different questions. The first is, what do I do now? You may still be in the wreckage of discovering what happened, trying to figure out what's true, what can actually be fixed, and whether reconciliation is even possible or if it's even what you want. You're busy analyzing every conversation, looking for signs that he's changing, wondering whether you're seeing remorse or manipulation, progress or more empty promises. One day you wake up and you think, that's it, I should stay. The next you're certain that you need to leave. And underneath all of it is this intense fear that you'll make the wrong choice and you'll end up regretting it for the rest of your life. Or maybe you've already come through the worst of it. You've done some therapy, read the books, had the conversations, made some decisions, and from the outside, your life might even be starting to look okay again. But on the inside, you still don't feel like yourself. You're beginning to realize that the betrayal exposed more than just what he did. It exposed all of the things that happened to you along the way. How often you bent, accommodated, kept the peace, or consistently put yourself last in your own life just to keep everything intact. And now you're asking a very different question. You're asking, what do I want the rest of my life to look like? And who am I going to be in it? These are two very different places in the betrayal journey, and they require different kinds of support. If you're still in the wreckage, I can help you get the answers you need so you can figure out what's true, what can actually be fixed, and whether reconciliation is possible in your situation or not, so you can stop spiraling and start knowing exactly what to do next. If you've come through the worst of infidelity, but still feel as though some part of you never came back, I can help you stop building a life that works for everybody else and start creating one that works for you. So you no longer have to bend, accommodate, or come in last in your own life just to keep everything running smoothly. Because healing from betrayal isn't just about surviving what somebody else did to you. It's about getting clear, trusting yourself and your reality again, knowing what you want and need, advocating for yourself clearly, and reclaiming the parts of you that you sacrificed along the way so you can make this next chapter truly about you. If you recognize yourself in either of these women, I invite you to book an introductory session with me. It's a private, one-on-one session where we'll talk about what's happening, where you're at, where you feel stuck, and what kind of support would actually help you start moving forward. You don't have to know what path you're on before you book. That's what we'll figure out together. Book your introductory session at introductorysession.com. That's introductorysession.com because you don't have to keep trying to solve this alone.